Circle. Everybody circle. Is that a circle? Circle, kids. Circle. Kuya, kuya. Halika dali, kuya. Okay, Lorenzo. Okay, kuya, closer. Circle. Ano mo dali center? Tunga. Isa mo dali tapita. Is one. Move. Everybody move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, move here. Okay, move. Alright, everybody, this time let's play the boat is sinking, ha? So, mga ganito, the boat is sinking. Everybody group yourselves into one. Hands down, then everybody you have to shout happy birthday. Okay? Ready? And the boat is sinking. Everybody group yourselves into two. Look for your partner. Okay, two. Alright, kuya, come on, duha Paris. Ready? And the boat is sinking. Everybody group yourselves into one. What will you shout? Happy birthday. Everybody, if one gani mo, shagit before happy birthday. Okay, ready? And boat is sinking. Everybody group yourself into zero. Pungkok tanan, down. Okay, ready? And the boat is sinking. Everybody group yourself into one. Okay, louder. Ready? Into one. And the boat is sinking. Everybody group yourself into three. Okay, Precious. Ready? Everybody go back to the circle that was tried out. No one is out. Precious, nali aking makaw. Baka na out, Precious. Ready? Everybody, you move backward. Backward na lang. Atras. Atras. Okay, Precious. Alright. Ready? Hands up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. 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 Ready? And the boat is sinking, kids, so I want you to group yourselves into zero. Into one. Into zero. Into one. Into four. Allah, be 1, 2, 3. And the boat is sinking. Everybody group yourselves into one. And group yourselves into two. Allah. Into one. Into two. Into one. Into two. Into 8. Everybody. Into one. Okay, move backward. Okay, ready? Everybody, and the boat is sinking. Hands up and down. Okay, ready? Group yourselves into zero, into one, into zero, into two, into one. Okay, this time let's play proper game. No more tryout, okay? No more tryout. Ready? And the boat is sinking. Everybody group yourselves into 8. Everybody. Into 1. And the boat is sinking. Everybody group yourselves into 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in, and 1, 2, 3. You're out of the game. Thank you. Bye bye. Take your seats. Okay, Lorenzo, you have to stay there. Okay, cut. You move backward, cut. And Janice, cut. Okay, move here. Bianca, there. Road. Okay, backward. Everybody, you move backward. Ready? And the boat is sinking faster. The boat is sinking. Everybody, group yourself into 1. Stop the music. Ready? And the boat is sinking. Everybody, group yourself into 5. Into 1. Into 5, into 1, into 1, into backward, into backward, into backward, into backward, into backward, and the boat is sinking. Everybody, this time I want you to group yourselves into 7. 5 mo, oy. 5 mo. Balik sa lugar. Again. Ready? And 3. Group yourselves into 4. Wait! Okay, kuya, you're out of the game, kuya. Bye-bye, kuya. Okay, ikaw na lang upakti. Lagyo. Ready? And the boat is sinking. Ready, kids? Group yourselves into 5. Patra mo. Lagyo. Into 4. Into 1. Into 4. Into 1. Into 3. Wait! You're out. Okay, you're out. Alright. Lorenzo, cut. And Janiska. Dili ka Janiska. Okay, ready? Lagyo. Backward. Everybody, about face. About face. We're ready. Group your stance into 4. Wait, palora mo. Into 1. Into 2. Okay, sige. 1, 2, 3 are the winners. Everybody clap your hands and congratulations. Get your prize here. Okay, get your prize. Prize. Tatag sa correct answer, of course, nagana mo prize. Kids, go to your mommy, go to your daddy, then please, adults, tagay sila sa onside answer sa question, okay? Everybody ready? Now, first question for the Q&A. What is the full name or what is the complete name of Juliana? One, give me the first name, family name, and the middle initial. Again? Juliana Villaflor Cristina. No, it's not. Go here. What is the full name or what is the complete name of Juliana? One.
Juliana Cristina Villaflor.
Family name and the middle initial. Okay, let's get. Juliana Cristina Villaflor is?
Wrong.
Correct. Okay, get your points. Next question is, ready? When is the real birthday of Juliana? B. When is the real birthday of Juliana?
July 4.
July 4?
2012.
No, it's not 2012.
2007.
July 7? Year.
2013.
Wala na sa...
July 4, 2011.
July 4, 2011 is the real birthday. Okay, congratulations. Get your prize there. Alright, everybody go backward. Next question is, go. What is the name of the mommy and the daddy of Juliana? B. Okay, cut. Louder, please. Mommy and Make it clear. Jadi mo maklaro. B. What is the name of the mommy and the daddy of Juliana?
Me. My mother is Elisa Villaflor and my daddy is James Villaflor.
Is that correct? Correct? Okay, correct. Lorenzo, get your prize. Next. What is the favorite cartoon character of... No, not that one. This one. Okay, what is the favorite cartoon character of Juliana? Guess what?
What's your favorite character?
Who? Ikaw. Ano one? You. Who? More? Okay, the favorite cartoon character is who? Who? Pagyaw, kasama to. Pagyaw, okay. Diri, get your prize. Okay, tanan mga bata, balik din sa trabaho din, then form one straight line. Everybody stand up.